Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we got that new 24 Toyota here, the Tacoma. Everyone's really going crazy for this truck, and it is a good looking truck. That's why I'm in the front here, because I want to show off how nice it is. Now, if you get this great looking truck and you say, you know what, I need a cover, but you know what, I'm on a budget. I want to get a nice cover, but I don't want to spend a ton of money. Well, we got that for you now. It's a good bang for the buck. Come on over here. What do we have? Well, we got the Tuxedo TruXport. By the way, this is a 6-foot bed. You know me, I love the longer beds. I think they're terrific here. Before I go into how it works, I want you to take a look how nice this cover looks. And that's a couple things I like about it. If you notice, it's really flat. I know a lot of the folding covers have an arch to them. Same with the snap-ons. This one, if you notice, it's really flat on here. It does have a little design in here, which I like a lot. Warranty-wise, it's got a 5-year manufacturer warranty. That's right, 5 years. That's really good. Also, this is UV protected. You know, in Florida, we can't sell the Chinese ones because they don't have any UV in them. They just fall apart. You have to buy the better covers here. Even though your wallet's gonna love you for this one, this is one of the better covers. So don't let the price fool you. This is a great quality product. Now, it looks great. It's gonna last a long time. Let's show you how easy it is and show you some of the cool things here. Let's see, did it lock on me? It did, but I am ready with the remote. There you go. Okay, now let me show you how you open this up. There's a little lever right here. I'm gonna go push that down first. Now, I'm gonna put my hand right on the logo. Why am I doing that? Because this has a spring here. Now, why is the spring a little bit better? Well, remember when it was so tight you couldn't even see the supports because the spring pulls it real tight. Now, a lot of the other covers, they don't have springs. You have to actually tighten up with a screwdriver. I don't know about you, I like this one better. Now, another nice thing is it sits on the bed cap, so it's gonna give you a little bit more space in the bed. So I like that a lot. Now, a really good feature of this one is this one's got, on the 6-foot, it's gonna give you 3 center supports. Why is that better? Well, first of all, you live in Florida, you're gonna have rain on here, and if you don't have really good supports, it sags. Now, if you live up north, well, you don't get rain, you get a lot of snow. So this one has all the great supports. Another really good feature on this one, if you notice, the back window is not covered. The cover doesn't cover the back window. Also, I can reach in here and grab all this stuff. Now, a lot of the trifolds, and I don't want, put trifolds down, but a lot of them will stop right here. So you have access to the first 2/3, but you don't really have access to the last third. I don't know about you, but I want to have full access to the bed. If I'm going to bike week and I want to stick my motorcycle back here, this is going to give me lots of room. Or you're just moving furniture, whatever it is. It's nice to have all that. Now, a lot of people ask, can you drive with this open? Yes, this is basically a little hook here, and there's a little loop behind there, and they just line up, and you do both sides, and it's not going anywhere while you're driving. Now, I know some of the cheaper trifolds have been known to fly off. That's right, they do fly off. They go like a big sail. This one will never do it because if you look here, this is all clamped into the cargo management system here. It's not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about that ever coming off on the highway. You're going 70 miles an hour and you don't have to worry about it ever coming off because it's all clamped down just like a hardcover. So this thing, besides looking good, it's gonna function good. The most nice thing about this is it's very easy to open and close. Get right here. Now, when you get to the end here, come on, John, with the camera. See a little groove here, a little groove there. I'm gonna take these guys, I'm gonna put them right in those little grooves here. And you got the little spring here. Remember I showed you a spring? You push it down a little bit. Now, once it's locked in there now, I usually will take the cover and I kind of just pull it a little tighter, just because I think it looks a little better. You don't have to pull it a little tighter, but it gets rid of some of the little sags you might see in here. So, and I just think that gives it a little better look. And again, you don't see any of the supports anymore. They all disappear because this thing is super tight. Those springs in the back make a big difference. Now, if you like this product, as you can see, we have it for the new Toyota Tacoma. We also have it for all the vehicles. I actually usually will stock this here in the store. So a lot of times people come on a Friday and they go, hey, I'm leaving to go to Tampa and I need a cover right now. A lot of times I can do it right there on the spot. Also, I can ship this anywhere in the country. So if you don't live here in Florida, not a problem, we'll ship it to you. And if you have any questions on the install, which by the way, from 0 to 10, it's a 2 or 3. It's not that hard. You know, the little extra things we did on this one, because of the bulkhead on this one, we did add a little extra foam in it, because the new Toyotas do not have a straight bulkhead. They have a kind of a curved bulkhead. So we add a little extra foam that helps with that. But all in all, this is a great look. We ship anywhere in the country, or just come to the store. We'll put it on for you, give you the 1-year labor guarantee. Before I go, like and subscribe. And again, this is a review of the TruXport by Tuxedo on the 2024 Toyota Tacoma with the 6-foot bed. Thank you.